When mixing SpexCrete 350 superset inside of the Mega Hippo mixing station, it's important to follow a few steps. First, anytime you're mixing in a Mega Hippo, you need to add all of your water or liquid content first. So we're gonna add all of our liquid for a single 40-pound bag, which is between 9 and 11 quarts of clean, cool, potable water. It's very important that you do not overwater this or mix partial bags. Now that we've added our liquid, we're gonna turn the machine on slow speed. We're gonna slowly add in the contents of the bag. We're gonna stop about 3/4 the way through so that we can turn off the machine and let any air that's been accumulated escape. This is really key with this product. Given all of the beads inside of it, more air can actually accumulate inside. This way we can get as much out as we possibly can to try to get an even mix. Then we're gonna turn it back on high speed and we're gonna slowly add the remainder of that bag. And once the remainder of the bag is in, we're gonna let it go for about 30 seconds. Then we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna let it burp out any extra air that might have accumulated, scrape anything off the sides that we can find. We're gonna turn it back on high speed and time it for 3 minutes. Once the product has been mixed thoroughly, you are good to place that product down. Typical working time is 10 to 15 minutes, so you might need to move a little bit quickly, but that is how you mix one full bag of 350 superset inside of the Portamix Mega Hippo mixing station.